All right, guys, I just wanted to give a little bit more information on the Flips Classroom. And so, what kind of the tools that I'm using to make this, just so you're aware, I am using that Screencast-O-Matic that I shared out with you earlier. And this is the one that does give you the 15-minute limit. So, in here, so I'm screen sharing. And in that, I can pull up any kind of presentation that I have and I can record it. I can share any video or any website. I can quickly record that on my computer and then save it like I showed you earlier. So a couple years ago, I did this Flips Classroom video PD session for the school. So I just kind of wanted to breeze through that with you guys in case you wanted more information on what Flip Classroom is. Flipgrid, I'll do another YouTube video for you guys on Flipgrid, so I'll get kind of more in detail with that for you here later. We also kind of want to think about flipped classrooms as, when we think about our traditional classroom, the sit and get instruction where the teacher does the instruction at school and the kids go home and practice. Well, in this unique situation that we find ourselves in, we really need to utilize the flipped classroom a little bit more, whereas we're giving our kids about 5 to 10 minutes of instruction via video, and then we're asking them to do something with that. So if you're going to use Google Classroom, or perhaps you want to use, I don't know, Wonders or Envision, you want to think about what are they going to do after the video? After they watched you teach and whatever you're going to teach, what comes next? So here's a couple video examples that I have that I will try to drop into our shared folder. The first one over here, I used an iPad to create that one. And it's essentially like an interactive whiteboard where you can record yourself, you can talk, you can put in pictures, and you can write, and then again save and upload to YouTube. Whereas on the other side over here, I am basically doing a Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm doing right now, but I connected it to my document camera, so you can see my hand. That you'll kind of see down here in the corner that I captured it with Screencast-O-Matic because I wanted the kids to see my hands. I wanted to see them working. This would be a great option if you wanted to throw in some manipulatives, you wanted to pull out a book, you wanted, I don't know, perhaps a clock or anything like that. Just, a way for you to kind of show yourself manipulating materials for the kids. After I did that, I did send the kids links, or a QR code. So that's what this page is kind of referring to. So my suggestion would be either email these out in your weekly lesson plans or put them on your website, your Google Classroom, so that the kids can access those on your YouTube channel. After I had the kids watch the video, I did have them do a WSQ, which stands for Watch, Summarize, and Question. I'm not sure if this is something that's going to be appropriate for a remote learning style because we are going to have them still practice at home alone. But it's just kind of a good way to check in with your kids, asking them when and where did you watch it? What was that video about? And do you have any questions? I did have the kids fill it out either online, or I did give them the option to do it on paper pencil. So, and that might be something you want to explore in addition. I will again share out my Google form that I used with my class, which you're welcome to copy and use as needed. Again, I'm going to kind of breeze through a few of these things. Here are some other good options for making instructional videos. I think I've talked about Screencast-O-Matic. Screencastify is really great. Again, it's a 5-minute limit. And then all the other options are for cost, and they are for smart devices. So that would be Explain Everything, Educreation, Show Me. Again, the document camera is a great option. And I think that is all I have for today. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, just I'm kind of breezing through this really quickly. Like I said, Classroom YouTube channel has been good. You can email links, you can give QR codes, you can do it on a blog. And I think that's all I've got for today. Thanks.